Hello and welcome. My name is Kyle. I'm going to be speaking on behalf of the Office of the Bursar. Our office is located in Clark Hall in the first floor lobby. On the screen is our telephone number, our fax number, our email address, and our address on campus. Functions of the Bursar's office. We issue the billing statements electronically at the end of July for the fall semester. We also manage installment payment plans. I'm going to speak about the installment plans a little bit later in the presentation. We accept payments in person at our service counter in Clark Hall with cash or check. Online, we accept electronic check and credit card payments. We receipt and apply financial aid to student accounts after the add drop period, and all financial aid requirements are satisfied. We disperse financial aid. Any excess financial aid that goes above and beyond the cost of the bill, we issue as a financial aid refund with a check or direct deposit. And we also process scholarship checks that are sent to the university. Please be sure that the banner ID number is written on the check or on the award letter. If the check's made payable to the student and the university, be sure that the student endorses the back of the check, please. IUP EasyPay, that's where the student can access all billing statements through the Finances tab. We issue the billing statements the end of every month through my IUP EasyPay portal. Billing statements are a snapshot in time, they're static. So if you're looking for account activity that has occurred after the statement date, you can view that under the account activity tab in my IUP. The account activity tab within EasyPay will show account activity, itemized charges, financial aid disbursements, and payments. Authorization can be granted to individuals so they can access billing statements, log on to make payments through our website, iup.edu/Bursar. Within EasyPay, there'll be a link that says Add Authorized User, and the student is able to go in and enter an email address for whom they wish to have the authorization. That email address is sent a password, and they sign on through our website, iup.edu/Bursar, and they're able to view billing statements. This is what it looks like. Authorized users will sign into the portal with the email address and the password. Authorized user features, check student balances, make payments towards balances, view payment history, store your payment methods, electronic billing statements are all found within, for authorized users can find this information within IUP EasyPay by signing on. So this is the layout of IUP EasyPay. You can view billing statements, view account activity, enroll in payment plans. The tuition deposit would have been made on my IUP EasyPay if you had paid with electronic check or a credit card. This is just the layout of it. You'll see the balance in the estimated financial aid, and you'll have a balance including estimated aid there under the student account section. The statements are always there. Term balances are on the right, and you'll see under my profile setup, authorized users. That's where I talked about earlier. The student can add an authorized user in there. This is what a billing statement would look like. It's going to have a statement date and the term and the due date. The due date will always be the 20th of the following month. The charges will always appear on the left-hand side of the statement, credits on the right-hand side. In this case, you see the credits are greater than the charges for this student. So there will be a refund that our office would process. That is shown by the current term balance being a negative, as you can see here, $3,912.10. So that is a credit that our office will process. Financial aid is greater than the charges. The student has registration, tuition, and fees here, this particular student. We have a tuition and fee cost calculator. You can refer to this for an estimate on the cost to attend IUP. You can select the residency and the number of credits. The billing is per credit, so there's a difference between taking 12 to 15, 16 credits. Tuition isn't finalized till the Board of Governors approve it in the middle of July. This calculator is on our website, iup.edu/Bursar. If you sign in to the calculator with your username and password, it will subtract the financial aid that you're due to receive. If you've selected housing, selected a meal plan, it automatically factors that in. So that's nice. Payment methods, like I talked about earlier, we accept In person in Clark Hall, we accept cash, check, money orders, cashier's checks. Online, we accept credit cards and electronic checks. We do accept Visa, Discover, and MasterCard. There is a 2.85% convenience fee for credit card payments. No fee if you use an electronic check from your checking or savings account. And check payments can also be mailed into the office. We do accept check payments mailed in. Tuition account programs, college savings plans. Once we issue the billing statement for fall, the end of July, you'll send a copy of the billing statement to the account administrator of your plan. They will remit the payment to the university for the benefit of the student. 529 plans outside the state of Pennsylvania, we bill them after we receive authorization. We do offer 2 installment payment plans for student enrollment. We do have a 4-month installment plan. There is a $50 one-time per semester setup fee. For the fall semester, this will run from August through November. The payments are due the 20th of each month. For the spring semester, we do offer the 4-month. Payments are due the 20th of the month. Plan runs from December through March. We have a 3-month installment plan at a $45 one-time per semester charge. For fall, it's going to run from September through November. And for the spring semester, it'll run from January through March. And there is a $45 one-time per semester fee. Payments are due the 20th of the month. It's important, if there is no enrollment in a 4 or 3-month plan and there is no financial aid pending that's set to cover the balance, for the fall semester, this will happen after the enrollment for the 3-month plan has deactivated, which is after September 20th. The student will get enrolled automatically in a 2-month payment plan, and it's a $40 charge, and the payments for that are 2 installments for October and November for fall, and for spring it'll be February and March. 20th of the month would be the due date of the payment for the 2-month installment plan. Financial aid refunds are tentatively set to disperse September 8th. If you're due to receive a financial aid refund, we encourage setting up direct deposit. We process direct deposit refunds twice a week. Check refunds we process twice a month. So if you're in need of the refund, for educational expenses like textbook or rent or things like that, we highly suggest setting up direct deposit for the timeliness of the refund. Okay, the student record release authorization allows the student to designate individuals to whom they wish educational records be released. Once the student registers at orientation, their educational record is locked, and we cannot release that information, any information about an educational record to anybody unless they have a security keyword and phrase. Any academic, registration, housing, financial aid, Bursar record is locked and we cannot be divulged until we have a security keyword and phrase. And it's the student's responsibility to create a security keyword and phrase on their My IUP. And then when anyone calls, they have to have that individual's name and also a keyword and phrase before we can release any information to that individual. The financial terms and conditions, it's a promissory note agreement whereby the student accepts full responsibility to pay the tuition and fees associated with registration for the semester. This has to be accepted before registration can occur. If you'd like to read over more information about this in the agreement in its entirety, at the bottom of the slide here, there is the website under Bursar Policies, Financial Terms and Conditions. Additional information, the 1098T form for educational tax credits, we're going to be issuing that for 2020 by the end of January 2021. It's going to be issued through Heartland ECSI. Email notifications to request electronic 1098Ts will go out. If you don't elect to have it sent electronically, it will be mailed. If you have any information about eligibility, it's best to consult with the tax preparer. The refund policy is important. It shows the effects of completing total university withdrawals depending on the dates, percentages of tuition and fees that are forfeited and recovered. It's important to read over that on our website, iup.edu/Bursar. And to finish out here, again, our contact information, you can call us. There's our fax number, our email address. We're in Clark Hall on the first floor lobby. If you'd want to mail any a check or anything, there's our address there. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.